What's up, guys? Today's video is actually a little bit of a compilation. So this program was from 2020 when the world was shut down, and I had a lot of people reaching out to me specifically to ask for fitness programs. I created this program as an anywhere fitness program, which means you can do these workouts literally anywhere, in a gym, in your home, at a park, in nature, on a walk, on a beach. That's personally my favorite. I also hope that these videos inspire you to get out of your comfort zone a little bit. So if you aren't comfortable working out in the gym, I really hope that these videos will help you get into a gym or break through those barriers that you've set. Getting into the program, the way that it works is it's 3 days a week. I personally like to do it Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and it's a glute leg day, arm, ab, upper body day, and then a full body day. So it's a perfect follow along routine for anyone who's new to fitness or, just getting back into a routine. After your warm up and roll out, this is where the first circuit begins. So each set is 5 minutes, so we're going to start a 5-minute timer. There's 4 movements in each circuit with a specific repetition. So once you've worked your way through all 4 movements, if there's still time left on the timer, you go all the way back up to the top and continue working your way back down. So some people get through once, some people get through twice. It just depends on experience level, if you integrate any weights, which I personally like to do, but you don't have to. They can all be body weight. And I will have a snapshot at the beginning of each workout in the video, but I will also have the program in the description. So hope you guys enjoy it. Let me know what you think about, if these are hard workouts or if they're easy for you. Just leave your comments. So hope you guys enjoy.
What's your Mofire?